arm yourself with whatever you can and lock all doors and windows. This has truly been a disastrous night for the UK and Europe as a whole. Well, joining me now is our health correspondent, Steve Hutton. Steve, how is this spreading so rapidly across Europe? Steve?
Hi, Darren. Well, the rapid spread of the virus is most likely due to the lack of preparation by local authorities in Oxford. All the NHS and government can really do now is try and slow it down by forcibly keeping people indoors, but the likelihood of success is very low.
Thank you, Steve, and a warm welcome to our viewers joining us.
That's not going to happen. They've sealed off most of London, as far as the M25 motorway. But we don't know why that's happened. People are scared. People are terrified.
HSBC, the world's local bank.
You're watching Channel 4. It's 5. An emergency is currently taking place. Please stand by for further information. This is 5. An emergency is currently taking place.